Seeing the screen clearly is essential, and Windows has tools to help. In this video, we will explain how to use Windows Magnifier and Zoom tools. The magnifier enlarges part or all of your screen, making text and images easier to see. To turn it on quickly, press the Windows key plus the plus sign. The screen zooms in, and you can press it again to zoom further, or press Windows key plus the minus sign to zoom out. To close the magnifier, press Windows key plus the escape key. The magnifier has 3 views you can choose in its settings. Full screen magnifies everything. Lens creates a movable magnifying glass that follows your mouse. Docked keeps a zoomed strip at the edge of your screen. You can adjust how much it zooms in each step and have it follow your mouse, keyboard, or text cursor. The magnifier can even read text aloud to you. Find all these options and settings under Accessibility, then Magnifier. Beyond the magnifier, you can increase the overall text size system-wide in the accessibility settings, and zoom within most apps and browsers using Control plus the plus sign. These tools make your computer comfortable and accessible for everyone's vision needs.